master, born with paint in his veins, spray gun in his hand. He makes the hard stuff tame. In the studio he stands like